एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ्स वर्ड। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में। सो व्हाट आर एक्सपोनेंट्स? x to the power n. So here n is our exponent or index and this is our base. This is exponent. The power is the exponent and this is our base. It is saying that x is n times. X into x into x, which is equal to n times. So now we shall study laws of exponents. So what is the first law? First is the product law. A to the power m into a to the power n. If the bases are same and are in multiplicative order, then these powers are added. A m plus n. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. The bases are same, so the powers will get added. 2, 3 plus 5. The answer is 2 to the power 8. Quotient law. A to the power m upon a to the power n. If the bases are same and are in divisional order, then the powers are subtracted. For example, 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3. The bases are same, so their powers are subtracted. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 2. Power law. A to the power m n. If one power is outside the bracket and one is inside the bracket, then these two are multiplied. A m into n. For example, 2 to the power 3 bracket 5. Then these two are multiplied. The answer is 2 to the power 15. If a has power 0 or any literal or any constant, the answer is always 1. A to the power minus n. If this n is negative and we have to make it positive, then we will simply reciprocal it. 1 upon a to the power n. For example, 5 to the power minus 2. We have to make it positive, then we will reciprocal it and the answer will be 1 upon 5 to the power 2. A into b n. If the power is outside the bracket, it will be considered for both of these terms. A n into b n. A upon b to the power n. Similarly, in this one, it will be considered for both of these. Let's solve some questions. So here is the first question. We can see the powers are in minus. So to make it positive, we have to reciprocal all these. Let's 4 upon 1 cube minus 3 upon 1 cube divided by 6 upon 1 cube. The cube of 4 is 64 upon 1 minus 27 upon 1 divided by 216 upon 1. We can also write it as 64 minus 27 upon 1 divided by 216 upon 1. 64 minus 27 is 37 upon 1 divided by 216 upon 1. 37 upon 1, we will reciprocal this into 1 upon 216. So our answer is 37 upon 216. Second question, if 1125 is equals to 3m into 5n, find m and n. We have to find the value of m and n. So firstly we will take out the LCM of this. 1125, 375, 125, 525, 5, 1. So the factors of 1125 is are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So the value of m and n is 3 in power 2 into 5 cube. Let's solve another one. We can see that one power is outside the bracket and one is inside. So we will multiply both of these. We can write as a plus b, a minus b dot x, b plus c, b minus c dot x, c plus a, c minus a. By using identities, it can be written as a square minus b square dot x, b square minus c square dot x, c square minus a square. As we can see, the bases are same, so these powers will be added. X, a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. A square and a square will be cut. B square and b square, c square and c square, they all will get cancelled. So x power 0, and we know that if any literal or variable has the power 0, so the answer is always 1. Question number 4. In this question, one power is outside the bracket and one is inside the bracket, so it will get multiplied. 4 to the power 14 into 3 4s are 12, 4 to the power minus 12. The bases are same and are in multiplicative order, so these powers will get added. 4, 14 plus minus 12, 4, 14 minus 12, 4 to the power 2, 4 into 4, the answer is 16. Question number 5. In this question, 625 can also be written as 5 to the power 4 minus 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 5 to the power minus 3. To make the power positive, we will reciprocal 1 upon 5, 3, 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5. So the answer is 1 upon 125. If you have any doubt or any confusion in exponents, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.